morning, everybody, from a very, very hot Cape Town. Spirit says sweet results are awaiting us and good fortune. We got the upper hand of our lives because we put an end to depression, anxiety, and worry. We are still looking over our shoulders, but with compassion and forgiveness. They want us to wish upon a star and expect the best. Use your mind wisely at this time, and remember that you do reap what you sow. So stay optimistic and positive. Be thankful at this time of your life for the small things and the big things that are around you. It's a time now where you're going to receive balance in your life and your inner world, and justice is going to be yours. It's a time to let go of the past now, move on into your new wonderful life. There are new paths going to open up for you, and you must open up your heart to receive. It's a time of brightness and hope for good things to come. Start a project related to something you're curious about or have always been curious about. Take a leap of faith. The angels and spirit guides are with you, and they will help you and guide you. Let your inner beauty shine and be playful at this time. Believe in yourself and know your own self worth. You are going to get the recognition and the rewards for merit. You've stepped out of your comfort zone and the world is your oyster. Keep on doing what you've been doing. You're doing something right. What you've been waiting for is worth the wait. Your patience is going to be rewarded, and something you've been waiting for a long time is coming your way. You are healed and you have been growing every day with your within. They say you can see clearly now, and your loved ones want you to simplify your life. Open your arms to receiving. You've prayed for help. Now be open to accepting it. I love you all. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.